Alright, hey, this is Hans. It's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from the United States. I believe the company that makes these is called SesaNood. It looks like their product is made in Taiwan from the side. So let's crack it open and see what they sent. Holy moly! So it looks like they sent two varieties. The first is this right here. This is their Sesa Original. I'm really curious about these, so let's crack this open. So these are traditional Taiwanese dry noodle, nice and wide. And let's see, we've got a sachet here. I'm guessing this is a sesame, yep, this is a sesame paste. So it's probably sesame paste and soy sauce, and yeah, these should be really good. And their second variety that they sent is called Say Spicy, and we'll look in this one too. And again, we have the Taiwanese dry noodle, and we've got a, what do we got? We've got another big sachet. This one looks to be also with spiciness. Yeah. And so this has sesame paste in it. So you'll notice, like right here, it's kind of thick. So with something like this, what you want to do is kind of put your hands around it for a little bit, kind of knead it, because it'll loosen up and get soft, and then it'll work better. Basically what you do is you boil these for 5 minutes, drain them, put this on it, and stir it up. And I've tried a whole slew of Taiwanese varieties like this, and they're absolutely fantastic. I have a feeling this is going to be super good. It looks like this company is going towards the sesame paste varieties. It's a non-fried noodle. It says it doesn't have any added MSG. No preservative, no artificial preservatives. Looks like it's about a 500 calorie per serving, but yeah, this is going to be good stuff. Well, thanks to SesaOle for sending these products. I'm really curious about them and can't wait to try them. And yeah, awesome. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one.